Right, hey, plastic people, welcome back. We're gonna get the wash and cure station together now. The main thing you got to really do is put the two towers on. You'll notice one has two plugs and one has one plug. And if you look on the base, there's one plug on this side and two plugs on this side. So I'm gonna use, hopefully be able to use my ES15, I believe this one is, and screw them in. May have to use the included one. So it looks like this one just plugs in here, and then the other will plug in here. Likely the daisy chain to the other tower on the opposite side. And then we can tuck this stuff back in. And let's see if we can screw this down, or if we're possibly too tight to get the screwdriver onto it. That went in. It's going to be too tight for the other side, so we'll just do it the old-fashioned way and get some screws in here. They're not long, so it's really not going to hurt much to do it. They are, I don't know if we can see that well enough or not, but they are plastic screws, self-threading, so these are not, they're threading straight into the plastic. The plastic is not threaded already. I expect that we're only going to be doing it one time, so I'm not going to really complain too awful much about that. It's not something that you should have to take apart again, unless there's something wrong with it, in which case you might. But as a one-time use thing, and for these things aren't going to bear any load, they're just holding the towers up, so that's all fine. And you can see they also have the stickers on them. Says this one needs to be installed on the left. This one doesn't have it. But if you can't figure out that this one's left and that one's right without a sticker on both, then this might not be the hobby for you. I mean, I didn't even need to look at it to see which one was which anyway, but it's nice that they do that. All right, so there's that side, and then this one gets plugged in. Get it pushed down. Use this one for the back. There are 5 screws that need to be done. It does come with extras. Looks like it comes with 2 extras, so they're tiny, just in case you drop one. Hopefully no more than 2 get dropped. Otherwise you will be left without one. They go in pretty easy. They're not too bad. I do have the power cable someplace close by here, so we can plug it in, make sure they're all lighting up. I did take a peek at the instructions, and so they don't daisy chain. You plug the power cord into this one, the other power cord into this one. The port here on the side is for the little mobile UV pen, if you will. Wherever I put it back there, I'll pull it out and test it as well. Okay. Does not seem that the screws are ferrous, unless there's something wrong with the magnet in my ES15. Would not be the first time that's been a problem. And this little one probably is not magnetic. Anyway, let's put them out of the way, and we'll get this plugged in. So the power adapter has two plugs, one for this one and one for this one here. And we'll get them in. Do have power. I think I hear a fan. Not seeing anything on the screen. I don't want to rob you guys of the peel. I mean, what everybody comes to watch these things for, right? Is the magnificent peels of these different pieces. So there's the very staticky peel, very staticky lid here. Do not see another power switch. Unless I've got them plugged in backwards. Let's get that done. Here is the box with the little pen and safety glasses. Okay, and there's power, UV safety glasses, and a cleaning cloth. Oh, the pen's in here. Oh, the little tiny little thing. So there is the little pen. Just a little UV source, just so you can cure two pieces together, and it does work. It has a switch on the side of it, so I know we've got power. There we go. Just have to push it and hold it. Let's see, 3 minutes. We've got light. Or that's looks like 30 seconds, not 3 minutes. And I can hear that going. Don't want to let it go completely with it dry in there. Sound like it might be one that moves a little faster than it needs to when it's not wet. Let's put this in. We'll make sure it's spinning. Yep, and it spins around nice and slow so you can get your parts cured from all sides. All right, so those will be sitting up probably next to the printer whenever I get the printer set up and going, and that way it's together, and when I do a print I can take it right off of that one and put it straight into the wash station, clean it off, then straight back into the cure station so that they're safe to handle. All right, guys, well, that was the Elegoo Mercury XS assembly. Not much to it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.